Hey, it's Deb and Henry. And we just hung up the Hummingbird feeder. Super excited. It's Mother's Day weekend. And historically, that's usually about the time that we see them in our garden here in central Maine. And if you're seeing your hummingbirds, let me know. I want to give you a couple of tips and tricks that I find really help to attract and keep hummingbirds in our Maine garden. Number one, you probably know what the formula should be. I do a cup of sugar, 4 cups water. Don't add any food coloring. Simple. Boil it till it all dissolves, let it cool, and put it in your feeder. Second thing I do, and I'm going to trip on Henry, where you hang it is kind of important. And sorry, I don't have a tripod, so my arm is not perfectly straight. This is a really nice, almost like a sort of an ornamental. I forget what kind of tree this is, but small branches. I hang the feeder right next to it, and the hummingbirds love to rest on the tree branches. So kind of a good idea. Plus it provides some shade to the feeder in the afternoon on those hot summer days. So that works well for me. And then I also plant close by some annuals that attract hummingbirds. So fuchsia, begonia, anything that was sort of a trumpet-like flower they like. And it's also nice to plant some native plants close to your hummingbird feeders that will attract them. Isn't it cool? You can see that way. The sun is setting and it's glowing. How cool is that? What do you think, Henry? Anyhow, good luck with your hummingbirds. We're excited to welcome ours back to Maine. Come on, hummingbirds. We're ready for you. Talk to you later. Bye.